What is up, everyone? How are we doing? Taking any good trades today?
Order filled. Order filled.
Get your butt back in there and finish that. What is up, everyone? How are we doing? Hopefully your P&L looks as good as mine does at the moment. However, it's not looking terribly great. Could have done better, I guess. About to lose this trade on Bill Knox here. Looks like we're going back to the upside. It's been a weird market today. I guess we're going to be chopping mostly, but 1 second, let me fix my lighting. All right. Slightly green, red for the week. Oh man, that sucks, but I'm glad you're green today. I'm not doing too great this week. It's not been my best week trading, that's for sure. But I'm all right. Give God thanks regardless. But welcome in, Paul. Trying a short on my live account here. Oh, good thing we have our own.
Yeah, but I was just laughing. I don't really sound good.
It might be. Try it. Well, this might have been a bad trade.
Stop filled.
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing?
Wow. Nasdaq is just pushing back up. Let's look left a little bit. She's got to give in at some point, don't she? I'm gonna wait it out. Got about 45 seconds left of this candle here. Chair fit. All right, let's try it one more time here. Catch the top. Maybe. I need to make some money off on this account. I'm down today. We're down 88 bucks so far on my live account. Start getting a little resistance here. Maybe we can pull back to this area. I can only trade one micro though. It's Friday. I want to trade a little bit before the weekend's up because we won't be able to trade. Nice push to the down. Let's
Order filled.
take this trade. Oh, I didn't want to take it in micros.
Order filled.
NQ, bro.
Order filled. Order filled.
2 contracts, mini downside on the screen over here. All right. Andrew, hey, how you doing, bud? Beautiful day, beautiful Friday. Ready for a nice relaxing weekend with my fam. Looks like she's ready to come down. I'm gonna take another trade in a funded account.
Order filled.
Oh man, didn't have my stop on.
Order submitted.
I really want to catch a good trade on my funded accounts because I had a bad day the other day and really got me bad. All right, so excuse me. Sorry for coughing in the mic. I'm gonna sell off on the next pull up. Are we even gonna get a pull up? Congrats on the subs. It's growing nicely. Thank you, sir. Yeah, it is. 456. It's a odd number. Let's go ahead and take the short. Why didn't I set my stop? ATM. Jeez.
Order submitted.
All right, so I'm looking for about another 150 bucks on the other screen here, which you can't see. It's trading minis. It's kind of reversing back.
Order
I'm gonna add a second contract. Hope to catch 5 points or so. Somebody needs to tell me when my mic is muted. I don't even remember what I was saying, but I tried to look left a little bit to see what we got, but we don't have to look too far. We've got a little consolidation pullback. Yeah, man, we have sound. I just forgot to unmute. I feel like I do that a lot, but didn't have to look left too much. I feel like this range would be the next pullback, so I'm gonna wait. I don't want to jump into a move halfway down. I want to start seeing some stuff like this or like this, and then I'll get a long trade in. Sorry, man. I tend to forget sometimes that I'm muted. When my family come in here to talk, I don't want them on blast. Or when I cough or clear my throat. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna pull this chart back over here. A little easier to see. Make sure we hit that like button, please. Thank you. Sorry about that, Paul. And everyone else. Didn't realize I was muted. But if this candle right here can break up past up here, then we might be looking for some more longs. But if we print a bull or a bear flag, I don't know. I'm gonna check out the 5 real quick. Get a little higher time frame confluence. Kind of in this range here. This could be our new support area right in here. Price field, a fair value gap. I don't know, I'm thinking long. Really want to see it test this trend line here. This yellow line you see on the chart. Got a bunch of accounts here that I need to trade. Guess long was out the picture. I'll trade my trade day account here. Oh, dude, where you at? It's looking like a nice little reversal on the 1 minute here. A lot of times on the 1 minute you can catch it a little early. I'm gonna go ahead and buy the market.
Order submitted.
That thing tried to copy trade a bunch of accounts. I guess it did copy trade. L there. I really like the upside here.
Order submitted.
Created a higher high, a lower high, or a higher low. These are evals, so don't judge my
Order submitted.
risky trading. What's up, brother? I've already made all my money in my funded accounts today. We're good. Now I'm just trying to take some extra risk on some evals. Come on, NASDAQ, give us that push to the upside. You know you want to. Got about 12-point stop currently. Let's let it ride, let it ride. Nice, only got 2 fundeds now. Oh man, that sucks. I've got a few. I'm trying to get built back up myself. All right, 3 contracts long. I'm hoping we get at least up into this 90 range. I'd like to take my profits there. Jeez, more consolidation. Come on, let's rip. Didn't lose any. That's good, man. Can we get it? I'm gonna go ahead and put my stop here. Wait for more rip.
Order canceled.
All right. See how that just did that? It put me in
Order
another
filled.
trade on my funded futures to the downside. Like, I don't understand. My copier is so screwed up. All right, I'm gonna buy this pullback.
Order filled.
Just 1 contract. I'm not super heavy or anything. The indicator bullish bias here. Awesome. I still have all 3 of my fundeds. Nice. I have like 7 total, but I need more. Hopefully we get like a little bull flag print out here because I feel like it needs to go higher unless we're going to start a new trend to the downside, which I don't want. For some reason, the indicator doesn't work on my account anymore. Eric, not sure what happened. Doesn't even show up on my list of indicators that I have. All right, can we get our bull flag? I'm going to go ahead and put another contract in just in hopes for the bull flag. I don't want to lose too much, but what happened here? We're not copy trading? Jeez, I thought we were. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. What a reverse.
Southbound.
Watch it wick up. That is okay. That is okay. Give it a little time to play out and see what we're thinking here. Kind of want to enter long again, but too close to this down here. Let's hit this trend line and I might. She's not going to do it. Looking a little weak.
Order filled.
Come on, push. Come on, give me my 10 points. Okay, not sure what's wrong. I re-added you to the indicator. Just need to refresh trading view. I'll do it. I don't like that at all. I want to move my stop to close to break
Stop
even.
failed.
I don't know the direction. I feel like we might actually come down from here. What are you doing, NASDAQ? Hey, with my funded futures, do you have to, is there a consistency rule? I can't remember. Because I'm about to pass this account and I want to make sure. I just don't remember. Odds of dump are good. Yeah, I see that. I agree. Looks like it for sure. was trying to figure out something. That's why I didn't have audio, and I was coughing a lot. Does anyone know my funded futures? Yes, it's 50% in eval. But I'm in a starter account, so it says no consistency. I don't know if it's just for the funded portion of that or what. I have no idea, but all I know is ready to pass this account. We're definitely about to dump. Looks like it anyway. We have to before we come up if we're gonna make another lower high. NASDAQ, what are you doing?
Order filled.
Jeez. That might have been a mistake. Come on. Pump on down, baby.
Order filled.
Give it to me, give it to me. The indicator, I haven't tried yet. I'm in a trade, so I'm not focused on that at the moment. But I'll check it out here in a few.
Order submitted.
Maximum position 4, 3 contracts. Jeez. Frank DeVries, hello man, how you doing? Trading in eval, so don't judge my trading. I'm just being a little risky, trying to pass this quickly. What is this thing doing?
Order filled.
4 contracts short on my trade day account here. I can make about $900 today on it. Nice green day for you so far. Yeah, it is. It's a decent day. I'd like to see a little better, but I can't be greedy. Not when I've made some losses like I have. That one day, a couple days ago, was pretty brutal. All right, we're coming down. We're coming down. I'm up a few $100 on trade day. I'll go ahead and get ready to take profits on it here. Really want to see make new lows here. We have to get down to the 55 range. Have to. Jeez, NASDAQ. Stressing me out, dude. I know she wants to cook to the downside. I just feel it. Everything points to the downside. Why are we going up? Just needs more consolidation, I guess. All right, we're $200 in the green on this chart, just so you can see it. $400 in the green, and then we're back up. Come on, Nazi. Midday chop is still weak, yeah. All right, next leg down. Let's take our profits there, and I'll move out of the way and get them on this one if we can. I'm gonna set the break even.
Stop filled.
Well, why is it?
Order filled.
All right. Where's my trade day? All right, 600. I can make another 3 on it.
Order filled.
If we can get it. Kind of looks like it wants to reverse too at the same time. I mean, that's just nuts. I'm
Stop
gonna
filled.
close that trade. I can't read the market right now. If you can't read the market, you might as well call it. Kind of looks like it wants to go up. Head and shoulder pattern here. Well, it's working on it. Double bottom too. Maybe she's going back up.
Order filled.
Let's see. If we can cross this blue line. It's looking good for the upside. Keep going. Pump. Nice. Leg up. I was about to move my stop up higher. All right, we've broken through this trend. It may change. We'll see. Can't take a trade long. Not here. It's been some pretty good price action though. I've been very well pleased with today's movements. I want to tally up my profits for the day so far. $8.35. So far, we're up $3,900. All right, we have 10 seconds left of this candle. I want to watch it bleed back up, and then I'll take a short. It's not going to bleed back up, is it? It's going to bleed out. I wanted some sort of reversal for a moment. This could be new support line though too. So let's see. Yeah, it looks like we might have a little support line here. to trade it just yet, though. $30 seconds left of this candle. Hey guys, do me a solid and hit that like button. Thank you. Get a little more out in the algorithm. New channel trying to grow. All support is welcome and appreciated. That looks cool, kind of trippy. Got a little head and shoulder pattern playing out. Let's see if it holds. Done anytime. Thanks, sir. Appreciate you. It's always appreciated. Every like counts, man. Every time y'all hit that like button pushes me further and further in the algorithm. I don't know if you were here about 2 weeks ago, but I had barely 100 subscribers 2 weeks ago. Now we're in the almost 500 subs. That's pretty awesome. Very thankful. All right, so I'm going to take a long here and hope that it plays out the way I think it is. It might have been a little too late, but we'll see. I just like to see it come on back to this highs, at least. I want to get my stop to break even as soon as can. Actually, I'm going to take some of this. I'm just looking for small time money right now. Nothing serious. Just trying to have fun trading before the weekend's over. Small wins add up. All right, we got our $100. Beautiful. Yes. Actually, we made like 120 something on that. Let's see. I was down like 3K with the EMA strategy. Has to go back to support and resistance. Now down 1K. Awesome, man. Had to go back to support and resistance. Yeah, when the EMAs are sideways, you can't really trade them. I would download a chart pattern and have a look at it. The EMAs are not like, so you can just trade EMAs, the 9 and 21, but if I were you, I would use it as an added confluence. So right now the green EMA is above the white, so I'm looking for longs. So confluence, you know what I mean? Support and resistance, I trade it too. I'm just a price action trader in general, but the idea, the 9 EMA being above the 21, it's confluence. It's not soul strategy. Like when you hit here, you could have gone long and boom, nice play. But whenever I got in over here, I was paying attention to the downtrend, and then we started to reverse. We got real high up, we pulled back down to VWAP, and then once we started popping back up, I'm in the trade. Does that make sense? I look for reversals more, a lot more than anything, but when the market sells off real hard or buys up real hard like it did here, you got to start looking for some consolidation to the downside. What's up, Namai? How you doing? Just remember, the market moves in waves. It's literally going opposite directions pretty regularly. So just when it's going in a trend to the downside, this is when the EMA is your friend. When they're up like this is when the EMA is your friend. But got to pay attention to key levels for one, like this right here. These are levels of interest that I like. Somehow my stuff got a little messed up, but this is a support area. This is a resistance area. Where market is traded. Keep in mind those. And then I have pivots on TradingView here. So you can see like the weekly open, monthly open, previous week mid, previous 4-hour low, previous week high, just a lot. Monday high. I don't really care for Monday high because I don't ever see any kind of action with it, but it's there. And then I have a bunch of different time frames. Here's the 15-minute. We're chopping. Kind of looks like it wants to come up, but I think we come down to the previous month high or somewhere around in VWAP. But I'm unsure. This is just my guess, It's time to come down, maybe. Pretty good. I'm glad it's Friday. Yeah. I wouldn't mind a little break. Goku JMax, welcome to the channel. Are we bull flagging here? We might be. Let's find out where it's gonna go. Why do I do that? What am I messing up here? Outline. I'm missing price action. Let's see. There we go. I caught that nice bearish move, 1040-ish at 22994. Heck yeah. That's awesome. So you caught it right here then. Let's see, yeah, right here. I caught a lot of it. I got scared. I passed an account yesterday with a long trade. Not a long position, but it took a while to get there. I don't know. I think we're going to go long here. Could be wrong, but I feel like price is just ready to buy up. Let's take it. What could it hurt? We're already up a lot, right? We're up $1,000 on this account. I'm going to go ahead and set myself to break even and wait for the pump. We'll get back in. Don't you worry. Okay, longs are now looking good. Yeah, they definitely are. Get a better price. See how this box reacts. If we go below that, I don't want in. 15-minute bias, 1 hour all bullish. Yeah. I bet we make a new high out the box. here in just a moment. Maybe with this candle. 45 seconds. She's turning green, boys. Ellen Dutch, welcome to the channel. Thank you for your subscription. Oh, that's on Twitch. Cool. Let's make some new highs. NASDAQ. Let's go. Let's go. Push that bull flag. If we break past this box, I bet we make a new high here. That Head and Shoulders has so far played out. Right now we're just collecting liquidity and building through this barcode order block to the upside. Should have took it funded, to be honest. Bro, are you reading the chats? Oh, sorry, man. I don't look over here very much. I look at the YouTube chats. Let's see. Goku JMX. Hope you're doing well as well. Do you stream daily? Yes, I stream daily. Typically, I'm streaming sometime in the morning and then a night shift. But there's our new high. Nice, nice, nice. Keep going.
Stop film.
Sorry about that, man. I didn't realize the chat was over there. I was looking over here on YouTube, and I didn't even know I was on Twitch, to be honest with you. But welcome in. Thanks for hollering at us. Check us out on YouTube, too, man. John Smith Yo is the YouTube username. Here, I'll post a link for you Twitch people. Come holler at us there. All right. Let's try one more long here. Just a temporary. I don't want it to go any lower than the bottom. Oops. Did not mean to do that. All right, so my funded futures, we're up $1,292. My traded files are up $400 a piece. Take profit $585. Looking good. Hopefully we make it a $5,000 day today. I hope that just did that. Let's see. If it did, I'm done. I'm finished for the day. If it did. $1,292. I might trade a little bit. Maybe some micros. I don't want to give back my profits. 631. 585. 526. 502. 465. 378. We're not quite 5K, but we're close. 4,380 bucks. 379. It's gearing up to go further down or up, I believe. I'm still bullish. For now. This line needs to hold. Breaking out on both sides of the box. The order block. Nice to meet you. Well, I'm from UK. Nice. I'm from the United States. Nice to meet you too, Goku. Make sure you come to the YouTube channel and subscribe there too. All right, guys, one more thing. I am trying to grow my Instagram account just a little bit. If you can, I'd appreciate a follow. Might as well plug myself, huh? I appreciate all the follows and all the subscribers and all that good stuff. I want my Instagram to pump, too. I have 23 measly followers. Pretty bad. Pretty bad. All right, let's go for, wait, actually. Just want to see a little more price action. Because we might actually be coming down. If we are, I'll be looking at this. Probably somewhere retest at the box high and then down to this area somewhere. Honestly, I'd like for it to pop to the upside pretty strong. But we may not get that. Not quite box high, but if it pops down, that'd be good too. I'll be looking for another long entry somewhere in here. Didn't quite hit the box high, but I'll take that.
Order filled.
3 seconds left of this candle. Don't wick up on me. Price action is starting to slow just a little bit, so it's lunchtime, huh? Let's go, Nezzy. You know you want to breach. Let's go. Collect about 10 points. 984. 974. We can get that, you think? I believe so. Come on. She's a cooking. She's a cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and set it to break even, then I'll move it down to 74. Don't stop me out. I'm gonna break you. You
Order
sucker. NASDAQ, don't reverse. You're a sucker.
Order filled.
Where we at? 85. 75. Levels to this. What's up, brother? How are you? All right, this is turning into a unsure direction. We have to breach this candle. Otherwise, I'm out. If we go above here. And looks like we might. Come on, NASDAQ. Don't make me look stupid. How many points did we come down from the box? 86. 6 points. I still think it's wanting to come down. Good, but I blew a eval today. Man, that sucks. That really sucks. I blew like 3 of them.
Sub-filled.
I've got about 10 more I can blow. That's what I do though. I trade pretty hard on my evals. That's why I always have so many funded accounts. I've got a bunch on Apex that I haven't even paid the fee yet to activate. All right, we're breaching this box high again. Why are we consolidating? Like, what's up here? Just chop for the rest of the afternoon? Because if so, I'm out. I got stuff to do anyway. Levels to this said up 350 on another eval. Just need 500 more to pass. Sweet. What prop firm is it? Wow, I have a whole 4 followers on Twitch. Very cool. Just playing. No one took me up on my Instagram follow. Wow, that's hurt. That hurts. Top step, got one funded, working on another. Sweet, man. Check out Funding Ticks. Code JSDT. Actually, it's not JSDT. I don't remember what it is, but check them out. Beautiful cross. Thank you, Lord, for your sacrifice. Buell Knox is 91% off, by the way, still. JSDT. 80% off Apex, same code. Are we coming down now? We've got to move a direction.
Order filled.
This is a little risky here.
Order filled.
Fake breakout to the downside, maybe. Might be a long wick. 5 seconds left of this candle. DCA
Order
one
filled.
more. Nah, that was a strong candle. I'm out. Reverse, reverse. NASDAQ, you never cease to amaze me. Never, ever, ever. We are making lower highs. Yeah. I'd like to make an exit of this trade. Unless, of course, it rips up 100 points.
Stop filled.
Yeah. The problem is we've had 2 attempts to go higher here before we made this lower high and higher low. So honestly, I don't see it as that kind of trend at the moment. I mean, I could be wrong, but everything points to down for me currently. I was hoping this was just an attempt to collect some liquidity and then push back up, but it clearly wasn't. Took my loss though.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take a down south trade here and hold it for a minute. However, if we get above here, I don't want to be in the trade anymore. I agree, down. Yeah, it looks pretty bearish to me. Oh, 150. Nice. I just hope she stays with this line. Come on down to the Price is Right. And the price is right when I make $1,000. All right, we have 20 people watching. You guys, if you don't mind, can you hit that like button for me? Helps get it out to the interwebs. The algorithm favors likes.
Stop filled.
Well, like I said, if it comes back up here, I'm out. So, we're out. All right, I'm about to stop because I don't want to give back any more profits. We're up 631 on that account. That wait, my funded futures. We're down to $500. That sucks. I have to go pick up my daughter, so I'm gonna hop off here. Let's see, what did I end up making today? Doesn't look very good now. 631, 585. $3,600. Not terrible. I'm okay with it. Jeez, and now you want to come back down some more. I made my 100 for the day. Nice. Hopefully funded, right? Please say yes. Please say yes. All right. Somebody did take my offer on the Instagram. Here's my Instagram. If you guys don't mind, hit that follow button. It's Trade with John. I do post some videos, share my P&L. Got some shorts on here. Got a lot of cool things. Cooking around, reading the Bible while trading, me acting stupid. I mean, you can see my P&Ls. I do really well. Sometimes I post some cool stuff, but here's my setup in the background here. Pretty cool. Anyway, Trade with John. 24 whole followers. We're cooking. Just kidding. I'm new to all this, so got to start somewhere, right? Definitely do. All right. I'm going to pop off here. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for stopping by and saying hey. Gave me some clarity. Not funded, but I am convinced to get funded after last night's talk. Okay, good, man. I'm glad. I hope you do some... Oh, you trade a live account. That's right. I think that's right. She is about to blow to the downside. Last night I called this. Let me go back to it. Where were we? Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. I called this big move down. I just knew. Let's see, where was it? somewhere. I called a big move, up or down. I don't remember. Gave me some. Catch you later, man. See you tomorrow. All right, guys, I'm out of here. We made $3,600. Not bad for a day of trading. I only spent a few hours sitting here in the chair, chit chatting with some cool people. Be blessed. Peace. Ben Lin, back at this time. Probably won't be back until Monday morning, approximately 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock a.m. Central Time. And then we'll probably trade night shift. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and yeah,